this video, we will be discussing how to install Gringo Control. First, you want to navigate to the Gringo Digital website. Under the Support tab, you'll notice the Download Center. You can use the tabs across the top to navigate to what you are looking to install. Under Software, you'll see a Windows and a Mac build for Gringo Control. Download the one that fits your operating system. From there, the download will begin. Once the download is complete, navigate to your File Explorer and navigate to Downloads. You'll notice the installer is present there for you. Double-click to start the process and follow the series of prompts to successfully install Gringo Control on your computer. Once the download is complete, it will create a desktop icon for Gringo Control, and you can begin using the application as needed.